In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike, a powerful project management tool that can help streamline your team's workflow and boost productivity. Whether you're working on small tasks or managing larger projects, Wrike offers a range of features to help you stay organized and meet deadlines efficiently. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is create a Wrike account. You can do this by heading over to the Wrike sign-up page, which you can find online. You'll notice that there are a few options for signing up. You can use your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account, whichever you find most convenient. This flexibility makes it quite easy to get started with Wrike, no matter your preference. Once you've signed up, it's important to understand the basic structure of Wrike, which is designed to keep your projects, tasks, and communication organized. At its core, Wrike is built around spaces, projects, and tasks, which we'll explore in more detail next. Creating a space is your first step in organizing your team's work. Think of a space as a container where your team collaborates. To create a new space, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll find a plus button that says New Space. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your space, add team members, and set visibility settings. Consider naming your spaces by department or project type, such as sales, HR, or development, to keep things organized. With your space set up, you're now ready to create a project. Start by opening the space where you'd like the project to reside. Once inside, look for the plus New button and select Project from the drop-down menu. You'll need to give your project a name and set the start and due dates, as well as assign an owner for accountability. For instance, you might name your project Website Redesign or Mobile App Launch. Inside each project, you can start adding tasks. Tasks are the individual actions that need to be completed to achieve the project's goals. To add a task, simply click on Plus Task within your project view. You'll be prompted to enter a task title. Write a brief description, assign it to a team member, set a due date, and prioritize it. Additionally, Wrike allows you to attach files, leave comments, track the time spent on tasks, and even create subtasks if necessary. Finally, you'll want to make sure each task is assigned to the right team member. Within each task, click on the Assignee field and select the teammate responsible for completing it. Once you save any changes, Wrike automatically sends notifications to the assigned user, keeping everyone in the loop effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the basics of getting started with Wrike. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your projects more effectively and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project managing.